We got a lot of snow yesterday and last night. You can hear the snow blower. Chris is way over there snow blowing. Cleaning up. I got to go to the grocery store. I heard the roads are plowed, hoping that's true. I'll walk out here and look. I don't know exactly how many inches we got, but it's a lot. There's Chris over there doing his favorite thing. I'm just happy it started. We couldn't start it a couple weeks ago because it was just too cold, but it started today. It's in the 20s today, so it's not super cold. I'll walk down here and look, and you can see it's about going over my boots. The squirrels are going to be mad because I don't have any snacks for them yet. I have to go to the store. Let me check their food station, see how everybody's doing down here. They've been out and about. It looks like that held up good. Oh, you guys got plenty. You can wait. All right, let's look at the road. Our neighbor here comes out and he'll plow the road for us. He does that for us every winter. We're very thankful that he does. Lots of snow. I'll have to see how much exactly we got. Not exactly sure. Whew, I'm cold. George's spot is all covered. So this was our December winter storm. It's a heavy wet snow because we had warmed up so much. I mean, we were like melting. It was so warm. Got up to 38, I think, one day. It was a nice break, but lots of ice melting, so it caused a little bit of water trouble, but we fixed that up. Sorry for the heavy breathing. It's hard to walk in this deep snow sometimes. Yeah, we got snow. Our porch is covered. Our messy porch. There was no snow on this porch yesterday morning. Now it's that deep. Propane tanks are covered. You can kind of see here how high up from where he's plowing or blowing snow, how much we got. So he'll be happy to get all that removed. Jasper will be happy to have a place to go potty. So that's what we're doing today. Removing snow, and then hopefully I can talk him into driving me to the grocery store so I don't have to drive it. I don't like driving when we just had a big snowfall. Florida girl, you know. I can do it, but I don't like it. Alright, that's it. Hope you all have a good day.